Honestly, there are no words for how amazing this workshop was.
I've done a few different workshops. You always learn something. This one was quite surprising.
I have always wanted to know how to belt, but I didn't think it was possible, so I thought if Queenie couldn't teach me, nobody could.
I'm pulling it out, it's coming out, you know. And again, it's just that feeling of like, someone like you is someone like me. Then suddenly, like you're not pushing it, someone else is pulling it out. So again, if tension is your thing, think of someone pulling it out.
The emotional breakthroughs, the incredible safe space.
The psychology as well behind some of the blockages you can have in singing.
I definitely had a breakthrough moment. Breakthrough emotionally as well. It's a very emotional thing.
I had a major breakthrough yesterday when I realised I had all the techniques there. It was actually psychological. I was scared to be loud.
Well, you think you're supposed to be smaller, yeah? Part of what it is for you as well is going to be about taking up space and going, I am allowed to be loud. I'm allowed to make those sounds. Yeah.
I was like kind of holding myself back. I realised that I go like this a lot.
The way that Queenie is so nurturing and supportive and encouraging, it's probably the best workshop that I've ever been to.